NDC that has no power to change anything. The NDC is in opposition. There is a party in Panafose. Oh, Baumia de when a cast about Baumia Galamsey, Baumia de ope mining, on a small scale mining ope, na chamfine de Baumia pe. Now, when they whoop, Sati Asman Apokan, let me show you something. And then I will say, Ghana, Jimmy, to allow these people to even campaign in our various communities. Napo say, we will give everyone his excavator to work in his concession to make money to support the economic growth of their communities. Almost say, excavators 2,500 no muria almost jeno. Almost so, almost do be excavator be mano. No ma ye juma magane tumpon. Na excavator na wode masa galamsey for no. E juma be na wode kwae. You are in the middle of an ocean. Who say the issue is the fight you are fighting. You still don't even have a concrete solution for us. You don't have an antidote. Wasako ko jina Ghana for them say excavators na ya jeje na 2005 na Professor Frimpong Boateng na oya sector minister they report ko Kufuor say sa excavators we MPP for the area no Napo say yes, ye real excavators ni ajeje. Ye besa dia mamo. Na mo dia ye galamsey biem na ye dia chichiri kuro no. These people. These are the people you are telling me say me time omo. Kwasiafo we. Ejimifo we. People who don't think about the ordinary Ghanaian. Kwasiafo we. And today we live in Ghana. We want to lift Ghana near Sadia Mamwa we. See where we are. See where we are. And they're only bold to tell us, say, yes, Yaji Galamsey, the Galamsey, Yeba, Eba, beko election. Inti Yadi Galamsey, excavators, the best Samamo, Muanamo, ya illegal mining, Yebamamo, Namumbo, Jumanamo from Peja Ghana. This is Napo. And the last time I was telling you, so what is the Obiti TV? So, Kase, politicians, NDC, MPP, now say Ghana and so bois, Sani Paro, a trufo, or so Bulukuno. For 8 years, Ghana to me MPP in sa. For 8 years, John Mahama free power na Ghana nso nti say. Said another Dan Kufuor betu say nso na say what did he do? That is the question. Say Kufuor about 2017. So obetu say Mahama say nso what did he do? Then it means you are justifying Kufuor's foolishness and the MPP's stupidity. You need to tell me what Kufuor has done. So we'll see Kufuor betu say nso na say what has he done? This is not a time for us to be going back and say, na MPP, NDC, or not Galamsey. The question is, there was a reason why we voted for you people. Because time and NDC, or not insuring to say. Time and NDC, or two for him, and insuring to say. Time and NDC was a soft for Ghana, and him, and insuring to say. Because a soft for Butukwine, a chain will be our Ghana. Mukom Kurase, Munim baby a monster war. You people know in the name of God, the waters were not like this. But Moyam Bonsam for Mumubi Mwe Jimmy. Mumubi mun kano kure mumubi corruption na ekumo and anything that you are trying to do a comparison. There's no comparison here. There's a reason why Kufuor and the MPP came to power. At the end there, for the past 8 years, a DNA Kufuor aye afa Galamsey home. Let's not talk like we are mad people. And you see somebody like this, Otia Bemwa or saying so, say they are going to give everybody their excavator. He wasn't even specific. There will be an excavator, Bemano. Oh, so now you are admitting, say 2,500 excavators. Napo is admitting, says, sir, excavator na Professor Frimpong Boateng report can say, Napo MPP for the area excavator there Galamsey no. It means my excavators in their boy Juma by 5 years. More per power until most of the excavator na man for. Normally, I could boy Juma Abwa Ghana. So you are admitting some much excavators in the Galamsey. You get what I mean? Now, somebody will ask. And you see, people will say, okay, where is what we call the Council of Elders? Somebody will get up and say, oh, Kevin Taylor Muade, Otuo Srebo, any neti. Atichidie we jina ho kasa said drug addict. Oh, in fact, he's a drug addict. Atichidie we kasano. He said that was his responsibility. Has he delivered on his responsibility? Why are we speaking grammar and making it look like this is a trivial issue? Why today, even the media that was screaming in 2014, 15, why is the media, why are they trying to treat this matter like some because it is the MPP? Because he does not want to take responsibility. The word is responsibility. The words are taking responsibility. Why are we not forcing this guy to take responsibility? Tam Wakasano, he says something about Eastern region. Today, as we speak, Eastern region, youth of exp0sed in the Eastern region on Sunday stormed 10 mining sites, forcing them to halt operations. Most of the miners fled the site, leaving behind their mining equipment. The rest were apprehended and sent to the chief. Onwani kurom chebi kurom achim kurom Sunday ya emu youth etu said ye omu ye demonstration called mining site 10. Video I'm about to show 2017. This is what happened. Onwani kurom kwasiampe you in kurom. This is what happened. You best you a promo and your papa. President who does not want to take responsibility. This is the political party we don't want to mention. You have opportunity to speak on this kind of menace, this kind of pandemic. I will have to say it that way. This kind of epidemic. We don't use nice words. We call the leader and we tell the leader, you have failed. This is not a time to be saying politicians and the people should put together a committee and we are all faced with this danger. We know there's danger. We know we are in danger. We need to call the leader. When we are in a ship, we call the captain. That is what we do. And it's about santimemu, okwa angunamemu, oba bunumemu, oba eye ekrobia ohine kese di enima. Yo ekrowura ne tumika me na me ye krowura. And it's two vote because asantimemu panye krato kenye tiamete because the town sa asanti krono belongs to him. So why are we not doing the same when it comes to the president? Why are we making it look like it's different? Because we are trying to shield some people. Because we feel that we are not supposed to point fingers today. We are waiting for another party to come and then we will call the name that is easy to mention in Ghana. Mama. Not even Mahama. Mama. And then the foolish ones will all get up with their wings up. No more taban yefu. Adentra. Where you end this for? Yambo Mahama ding. That is our problem. The irresponsibility in our actions. We the leadership. Yani ahemfono, yani asofono, yani mpenifono. Where is the state? The elder, the state council. Where are those fools? We are in a pandemic. We are in an epidemic. We are in a serious situation. We have failed to call out the president. We have failed to tell the president he has failed. We have failed to tell the people to vote against the government that has failed us. What do we want? Yeah, change my power. We are waiting for power to change to become wise. We are waiting for power to change for us to become patriotic. How do we govern? How do we put a nation together with this kind of attitude? Mamen Chawa dear. Watch this. Watch this.
The GHANAIAN Forest Reserve in the Awin municipality covers part of the watershed of the Tano River. It was gazetted as a forest reserve in 1955. Experts say it meets one or more previously established criteria for identified sites of biodiversity importance. In December 2023, we reported an invasion of compartments 74 and 75 of the reserve by Chinese miners led by an NPP executive in the Awin municipality. A few days ago, another batch of Chinese miners and some influential Ghanaian collaborators have entered and destroyed compartments 17 and 20 of the protected reserve.
In the beginning of August, we saw some Chinese people working outside the forest reserve. They crossed the Tano River into the forest to do illegal mining.